What a good smile. Come on out, Zach. Well, look who's coming too. It's Ross Allen. These boys like to have their pictures taken. Good morning.
Good morning.
There's Sammy, eating his banana.
Alright, let's go! Mommy, I want to put the ball in my house.
Open it up and see what's inside. What is it? Hot Wheels?
Whoa!
Ross! Look at me, Rosie! Rosie, look at Mommy.
Look at this, Mom.
Yeah.
Look like that.
The Easter Bunny must really like you.
Hey, look what you just opened it. It's Easter.
Then it goes to the bag. The bag. That's yours now. That's yours now. Now get it out. No.
Oh, you're doing it. Now, remember what I said, you have to stay on the sidewalk. Oh, are you coming over this way? Yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Coming to get me. Coming to get me. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. No. No.
Hey! You can get me.
Get in the water. Peekaboo.
Hey, can I see me? Peekaboo. Can I see me? Peekaboo. Can I see me?
Sam, leave the ducks alone.
Okay.
Cookies?
Hey, baby. Come here.
Miss Dell. And I want to thank all the teachers for a wonderful year, too. That one? Sam, you know what's going to happen.
Yay!
Ross? You know you're Can you swim? Show me your mermaid. Show me how you do a mermaid, Ross.
I'm gonna have a fishing. I'm gonna have a fishing.
Oh, very good.
I am a mermaid.
You're a merman.
Yeah.
Sea with the waves, hey, blow the man down, and hope that you'll join in the chorus with me. Give me some time to blow the man down.
Yeah, you're Sammy the Sailor Man. Toot toot.
I got a sailor hat.
Sailor boys.
I have my picture with Darren.
You boys look like sailors.
And I have my Darren picture.
Just a second.
Let me see, Dad.
What do you want to see?
I see what. Sit down, Daddy. Sit on the porch. Can we see? Can we see?
Sure. Keep going. Again. You dancing?
Let me see. Can I see?
And when we're done, just getting a shot of Derek on the bed.
Yeah.
Me, Daddy. Let me see.
Come here.
What do you want to see?
Come here.
Go sit with Derek.
Come here.
Let me see, Daddy.
Say, we can't shoot videos anymore because they just want to say, she let me see all the time. They don't understand that they have to do something first.
How was that, Sam?
Good job. Look out. Good job. There was never any. Oh, go down head first. Can you go down on your belly? Nope. Go on the butt. Be careful this time. Yeah, see? Right there. Push it that way. It goes through and turns. All right, go for it. Away from the tree, please. Backwards, the other way. Whoa! Okay. Go. No, push the buttons. Yeah. Don't push them both the same way. Otherwise you just push around in circles. You gotta push them the same way.
Right here.
See?
Oh,
I got a pine cone. Yeah, so we have to put all these. It's a pig. Look what I have.
That doesn't have looking good. I gotta find a hook. Right.
Oh, here's some more. My mom.
Yeah.
You're a good smiler.
Hey, careful.
Oh.
Plug the tree, Ross.
Let's put a few more red ones on.
You gotta be careful. Here, Ross. Right here, bud.
Oh, my mommy. Toward the bottom.
No, she means towards the bottom, not towards the back. She means like right here, or right here, or right here.
All right.
My
A is for us.
Oh, you gotta turn it to the
M
face.
is for us is like right in the
No, turn it to A. Okay, now you go.
A is for us, right in the cute. B is for blue and raspberry. C is for Philia and lovely hair. D is for door, whose skin is for there. E is for eyeball, W is for large. There is on the scared floor. X is for rifle and not too much more. Y is for Yeti, our chilly new friend. Z was because this is me.
Oh.
Hey, Eric! Eric!
What?
You're right. You're right nowhere.
I'm right nowhere? No, I'm on the other side. Here. Come here.
Right.
Here, Ross, you wanna kick it? Kick it to Sammy, okay?
Oops.
Take it to Sammy. Ross, take it to Sammy.
Ready?
There's the ball, Ross. Take it to Sammy.
Let's see. Here's
Take
the
it to
ball.
Sammy. It's right there.
Yay!
Stop it, it's shiny. Take it to Ross. Ross, say beep, 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 beep. I think Morgan wants it.
Girl, I don't want it.
I think Morgan wants it more.
I was screaming.
Who wants it?
Nice kick, Sammy.
Thank you.
Okay. I did it, Mommy. I did it. There, Mom.
Excellent.
Hot and hot.
Good job.
I'm there. I have to win.
Sam, you gonna go see the tree light?
Oh, don't eat.
You're silly. Can you chew your food and try again?
There's Daddy.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead, Ross.
What's up, Donut Fun? Santa Claus is coming to town. It is what you mean.
Sleeping.
No.
Oh, okay, you do it.
Better watch out, better not cry, better don't fall. I'm telling you what, Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making noise, checking in twice. He's on fire, there's no one nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. Let the other fountain houses. Ba-la-la-la-la-la-la.
'Tis the season to be jolly. It's Sam's turn. Don we now our gay apparel. La 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. La la la. Daddy, you need to sing a song now.
What song?
Twinkle little star.
Oh, you gonna help me?
Yeah.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle on. Oh, what fun is to ride with our open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. What fun with our open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun is to ride with our open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Yay! Cool. Sam, can you put your hat on your head? Put your hat on.
I don't have it.
It's right there. There's your hat.
It's a temple here.
Wow.
Hungry hippos. Show Daddy your game. Look who that is. Show Daddy who that is.
Spot.
Wow. Spud.
Spud's on the job, Bob.
And he has a bird on his head.
He's got the bird on his head. Show Rossi.
Special. A bird on his head.
Oh.
And he can dig on a foot. See? Is that right? Yeah.
Bird.
I'm going to take all this stuff to a barn now.
What'd you get?
A Travis.
A Travis.
And I got a Dr. Builder construction.
Yay!
Mom, may you open this for me?
Yes, I can.
That one's mine.
As soon as I'm done, open it. Well, Santa knows you guys like to read, huh?
We are. Kinda.
You guys are readers.
I want to play with Spike. Yeah, we want to fail. I was opening it way hard today.
When Bob hammers on it, it comes apart. See?
Wow.
It does
Oh no.
Come see.
Taylor.
That's so hard.
Thank you.
You did it. Santa's getting a haircut. Ready? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. You did it. I love you, Christmas. Can I Christmas heart? Merry Christmas, Ross.